Chai, my people. It don't happen again. It don't bust. No be small matter. Oh. Make una carry una jokote sida. Come listen to this one. Oh. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Finish. I know say most of una know this man of God, Prophet Godwin Ikuru. My people, he don't bust come out. Oh. He don't drag Prophet Tobi come out. He just say Prophet Tobi is spiritually blind. As he put the English, he say Prophet Tobi is spiritually blind. My people not be smart, you know. He say he know they see road at all. You know they see vision. If thing won't happen, you know they say evil people when near him. I say what? He said the time of election in a Osun state. Say he prophesy, he give prophecy about the election, who go win the election. Say the prophecy come to pass. Say na Davido uncle na he go win the election. And this prophet Tobi come still prophesy, give prophecy again. As a prophesy, he come to say na Davido uncle na he go win. He said Davido no come honor am at all. Davido no even come greet am. Tell am say thank you as he take give the prophecy. Say Davido flew. Say he fly go London. He go honor Tobi, you know, he honor Tobi, he welcome Tobi, he come dey go Tobi house. Say Tobi no dey see road at all. My people, no be wetin I go use my mouth take talk finish. Make una regade.
This has been an insult to the body of Christ. Yes. Davido, you only have access to somebody like Tobi, you know. And I want to say something on this matter. If you are here, how can a pastor, a prophet, I think they call him a prophet or a pastor, buy a bag of $95,000 for Davido Showman Davido woman, and this, if you talk anyhow, I will lay a curse on you. If you come here to speak anyhow, I will lay a curse on you. If I lay a curse on you, don't get angry that I lay a curse on you. Please mind what you are saying here. Obi, just mind what you are saying here, because I'm angry, and if you say anything past with the talk, I will lay a curse on you. I'm not happy. I'm here with anger. So mind what you are saying. This Pastor Tobi, David visited him as a pastor that he reliably rely on, and he could not see what would befall this young man in a very short, I don't really understand. The pastor, you are blind. You are blind. I'm challenging you that you are blind. Yes. David visited him, and as a pastor, he loves, trusts, very well believe on. Which kind of a pastor is this? David, pastor, you are blind. You could buy a bag of $95,000. You could buy a bag of $95,000 for David and his wife, and you could not see what will happen to this beloved Ifeanyi. It troubles my heart to it troubles my heart that this is a man of God is supposed to see. A man of God is supposed to see. A man of God is supposed to see. How can David trust you so much and brings his woman to you? Because I know the intention of him bringing the woman to you, Tobi, is to see for his life. You know, all these boys, they may not believe everybody, but they believe somebody that, you know, that they are talking to all the time. These boys, they don't just believe everybody, you know. And this boy come to you in your house, and then you presented a gift of $95,000 for him. But you could not see what will befall. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. The pastor, Tobi, you are blind. You are spiritually blind. Yes, you are spiritually blind, because if indeed you have not been carried away with the things of this world, I believe God will have shown it to you that, come on, this is what is going to happen to your beloved son that loves you. To your beloved sons that loves you. Whether you believe what I'm telling you or not, what I'm saying is the truth. Because David believed him so much, and that is a prophet of David. You see, the same prophet was one who claimed that he prophesied that Emole Adeleke is going to win the election. He took the glory. He took the glory that he was the one who got seized. And David went to go and do Thanksgiving in church in London. And me that prophesied from the beginning, Davido did not come to me. That's not even my point now. But I'm trying to say to this pastor that how come Davido was in your house and you gave him a gift of $95,000 and you could not see what would befall David's son in short days? Because they just received that gift and they came back and then they went to attend what is it called? What's this boy's name? Israel's marriage. Okay, so how come God did not show it to you? How come God did not show it to you? And you said that you saw on Tuesday election, it was blah, 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 Adeleke that will win. So you see vision. You convince David that you see vision. But how come you did not see? They were with you in your house to the extent that you buy a gift and give to the wife, to the woman. So you see, they will continue calling pastor fake. They will continue to call men of God fake. Yes. I can tell you, the interests of David believing men of God today will die. Yes. The interests of David believing men of God today will die. Because why? The person is trusted to be a prophet. Because I heard that guy is a prophet. Somebody called me and said, man of God, you've not talked about this. You need to talk about this particular issue. And that is what I'm here to say. And I'm not afraid not to say it. I'll continue to say it. And I'll continue to say it. That, Tobi, you are blind. I'm telling you that you are blind. Yes, you are blind spiritually. You are blind spiritually. Because if your eyes is open spiritually, you will see that this evil will happen to this Ifeanyi who does not deserve to die. If I don't deserve to die. If I don't deserve to die. David gave his totality to you. As a prophet, those in UK, my fans in UK, share it. Let Tobi see it. So that he will know that it's not just to answer, I'm a prophet or so person. But you must watch over your sheep. You must trouble the spirit to show you after those who love you. Because if David does not love that guy, he will not go to his house. He will not go to his house. David will not go to his house. But because he loved that guy, he went to his house in London. And he gave him a gift. But then, can you compare a gift of $95,000 compared to a life, a beautiful child, a bright future, a wonderful child who come to live, and you could not see for the people? What is the reason of God calling you to watch over the flock? God watch. You see these issues of some people having a big name. You know, one of my cousin who is a skit maker said some people have these stars run after people who has a name. And he said to me, you have a name as well. I said, yes. He said, but why is it that you prophesied in Osun State election and Davido did not come to see you? I said to him, I said, David heard about it because news took it. News took it. But the fact is, how come David was in Tobi's house, Pastor Tobi? How come Tobi could not see this beautiful child who does not deserve to die, that he will creep on the water? It's still the same Tobi that tweeted some days ago and said that I'm praying that Shoma and Davido, they recover soon. So how come these children that came to your house, you could not see for them, and you claim that you are a prophet? The word I'm trying to correct here, you said you are a prophet of God. Abba. And God did not show it to you to be. Because truth, you see, you shouldn't play with people's destiny and people's life. You shouldn't play with people's life and people's destiny. It's very terrible. For one to play with people's life is terrible. In the name that I'm a pastor, I'm a prophet, a lot of people have fallen victim of this. A lot of people have fallen victim of this. How will you join? This is how many marriages are joined together and they are not supposed to marry. And the pastor say, I just pray, God told me that this is your wife. And the person is not your wife. I just pray that this is your husband. And that person is not your husband. I just pray, God told me that this is your wife. Because you saw the lady is beautiful. And you say, this is this person's wife. How come? That you saw Osun State election and you could not see a child that came with his wife to your house and you claim that you are a prophet? What type of prophet are you? It bothers my spirit. How, when, and how did God show your Osun State election that God, Mole is going to win the election?